sir. I would want to rent a table. Okay, sir. Thank you. 5 minutes later. Hello, sir. Did a guy named Ted came here? Yes, of course. He's at table 2. Well, thank you. Well, look at your disgusting face. Goodness gracious. Oh, well, look at your face. It's more worse. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, bro. A new girl has arrived. Her name is Edna. Well, look at this. 2 couples dating. Very wow. Oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's so much of a baddie. More like you, girl. You're so disgusting. I would never wanna look at your face again. Why would you say that to me? I am beautiful. Hell no, you are not beautiful, my bro. I'm leaving. Hey, baby girl, would you like to be mine? Step away, creep. Ugh, your face is so disgusting. Oh my god. But I am in love with you. Hell no. I would never want to be with you. Ugh.